Hi, I'm Ryan Schnackenberg, your virtual remote product development coach. Together, we discover ideas and leverage tools to deliver products and services to market faster, cheaper, and with the quality that your customers demand. You and I start working together one-on-one in my Tips Modeler. This is the fastest and most interactive process you can leverage in the limited amount of time we have allocated for each session. As our relationship matures, we use other digital tools to help deliver the desired outcomes necessary to achieve your enterprise goals. I'm really excited to be working with you, but before we do, make sure you check out the extensive resources available on this website. And when you're ready, click the Getting Started button or the Schedule a Consultation button. Follow those instructions so that I can begin preparing right away for you. Thanks.